What's up guys, Evan here from Baldn.Bearded. I'm coming at you today with another quick unboxing, or rather, and this is not a box, it's more of a bag. I'm bagging of the heat shield spray from the Beard Struggle. Looking forward to trying this stuff out, as I do use the hair dryer to straighten my beard, and it is good to put something in there. That sound is awful. Put something in there to protect your beard before you hit it with all that heat. So I've been using a little bit of oil, but it's really good to use better like a heat spray or something to just put some kind of lubricant in there to help protect the hair before you just hit it with the shield. Okay, so first out of there we have welcome to the family. That's very nice. Like we're about to have a special guest. There he is. This is Apollo, everyone. Say hi. You gonna help me? What do you think about these? Oh, look at these cool stickers. We've got the brand Viking. This is from them as well. Looks good, right? You're not looking at the audience. And this is just basically, it tells you all the different things. He's helping. It tells you all the different things about that, what they sell, what everything is. Got a nice bracelet as well. Oh! F you, COVID-19. Ain't that the truth? From the Beard Struggle. And inside as well we have the Apollo. Come here. Come closer at least. Help me unbox this. Maybe this will scare you off. What do you think? Cover your butt at least. Be a gentleman. Whew! Okay. There it is. The Viking Shield spray. Is 4.05 fluid ounces, heat protectant spray. Application, lightly spray from the roots to the tips of your hair. Comb through. Looks good. It's a nice size. This is again really good to use if you are using a heated brush or you're using a blow dryer to straighten your beard. Just gives that extra layer of protection that you want to have. He's playing with the bubble wrap. The extra layer of protection that you want to have before hitting your beard with that kind of heat. But there you go. So we'll give this a try, and we will be posting a review later. All right, thanks for checking it out.